Yeah, at XM Performance, Tasha and Ross did a great job. They were very good at explaining everything, breaking down everything, and helping all of our team members just kind of learn about themselves, learn about each other.
I just had a good feeling about this and was excited to do it.
The facilitators were wonderful at XM Performance. They did a great job getting everyone involved. Everyone spoke, everyone wrote something down, everyone was a part of it. No one was left off to the side or ignored. I think that's really important when you have 10 or 12 people show up, to not let people kind of fall into the gray.
My expectation was to spend time with the team, getting to know everyone's communication styles better. And I definitely think that we are walking away with much more than that.
I guess an aha moment for me was just seeing where I fit in and things I needed to change.
The facilitators at XM Performance are wonderful. Everything went smoothly and everyone was engaged, and it was a great learning experience today.
So I think they did a really great job of hosting us.
I think XM did a great job.